Hi, this is Justin Ball, owner of HammerHead Showers, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down our 8-inch rain shower head. Like all HammerHead Showers products, this is all metal and built to last. So the body of the rain shower head is made from thick 304 stainless steel, and the bracket and connector is made from solid brass. No splitting or cross threading or anything like that with those cheap plastic shower heads on the market. This comes in a 2.5 gallon per minute flow rate. We don't do any low flow rates on rain shower heads because they're just not worth it in our opinion. To improve pressure on our rain shower head, we do have some customized nozzles that we've upgraded in the past year to give you some more pressure, but still delivering on those rain droplet type flow. So what you can see here is we have the 8-inch rain shower head installed on an adjustable shower arm. This is my preferred option for using a rain shower head because the gravity increases the force, the pressure essentially, gives you the best effect. You can also install it on a straight shower arm like this, obviously from a ceiling mount shower arm, but you need to have the plumbing to do that. This one, adjustable shower arm, you just hook it up to your existing shower arm pipe and you're good to go. So let's run some water through it and check out the flow. Yeah, that's like what can you say? You got great water droplets, wide coverage. So whether you like cold showers, hot showers, you're gonna find an immersive shower experience with this 8-inch rain shower head. Good combination of pressure and flow, and it comes in 4 finishes: chrome like this, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, and matte black. So whatever you're looking for, we have the right rain shower head for you. Thanks for joining me. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.